is Marilyn's Journey, inviting you to visit our page rather, me and my sister in Facebook, and I will put it down the link below. A blessed day, everyone creating new designs again. This is me, Marilyn's Journey again in my channel. And I just hope that you won't get sour on watching my videos. Today, as you can see, it's not unboxing, I'm unpacking the tool that we ordered in Shopee. Now I'm going to show you what is it. Ta-da! It's a crimper. If you are a quilling artist, you must have this crimper kasi nagpapadali ito ng work mo at saka yung design niya talaga maganda. Kasi nagiging wavy ang shape ng strips once you inserted the paper strips on the crimper. Ano nga ba ang paper crimper sa mga paper artist or quilling tool artist? A paper crimper tool for quilling is a hand-operated quilling crimper tool. It helps to crimp the paper quilling more easily and quickly, making the paper strips to be waved shape. I'd like to share you again kung ano nga ba ang paper quilling art. Quilling paper art or paper filigree is an art form that involves the use of paper strips that are rolled, shaped, and glued together to create decorative designs. I had uploaded before na mga videos about the quilling. They were asking and writing a comments there that they don't know a quilling. What is quilling? They are saying. Di po ba kayo din guys? You are wondering ano nga ba yung quilling? Quilling, where did it came from again? Where did this quilling art originated? Although its exact origins are a mystery, the art of quilling is thought to have originated in Egypt. Sa pyramid, these gilded paper strips were then rolled to create a quilled shapes. Quilling often imitated the original ironwork of the day, diba? As an art, quilling used to be extremely popular in the 1970s and 1980s. Oh, nandito na tayo. Yung mga kaidaran ko dyan. Joke. Gradually faded in between and has made brilliant comeback in the recent years. You're asking yourself, madali po ba yung gumawa ng paper quilling? No, it's not. It's not difficult skill to master quilling. You can get a lot done. Just a few simple tools lang yung magagawa mo. So this one here, these are die cuts. Meron siyang guide, yung machine tool na gagawin mo siyang i-shape mo yung paper na ganyan siyang shape na ganito ng lady. She's wearing a gown. Like that. So we put it in a matingkad na kulay para makita nyo yung shape. See? It's very beautiful. Yan po nilalagay sa mga invitation sa 18th birthday or what else, sa birthday, sa wedding, ganyan. Basta at any occasion na gusto ng may order po or ng client. Ito yung mga die cuts namin, mga machine tools for making the die cuts. Merong iba-ibang shape ang mga leaves. Merong ferns at saka butterflies, different shapes and sizes of butterflies. And this one here naman are yung mga maliliit na sizes. Maliit na sizes ng butterflies. Ito naman yung die-cut roses in different colors. Kasi by order na po yan eh. Kaya laging rush. Kasi mahirap po siyang. The other time na gumawa ako ng video about sa snowman, there is a part there na gumawa ako ng guide nito. Then ito ulit siya, yung crimper. I'll be showing to you again kung paano siya gamitin para sa hindi nakakita ng last video ko. Ito yun, i-insert mo lang siya sa lower part yung paper strips. And then makikita mo yung result niya na wavy na siya. And then, I tried ulit yung sa upper part ng crimper para makita nyo yung difference kasi meron siyang two options. Yung pino na pagkaka-wave at saka yung medyo buhaghag yung kanyang wave. Now it's here, you can see, diba? Buhaghag at saka pino yung pagkaka-crimp, yung wave niya. This is a 2-in-1 crimper. One crimper with two options, two choices ng designs. Okay guys, so that's how crimper works. It's me, Marilyn's journey again. Hope you'll be making your creativity for the next few days. Have a nice evening, everyone.